The illegal immigrant will not come through the railway, nor flight, nor in the bus. They will come as it is. We have, suppose, Meghalaya is open border. Meghalaya is open border. I'm sure I have to admit today, in the West Goa Hills, you see thousands people are there. Did these people come through railway? Does these people come through flight? No. So illegal is illegal. So suppose our border is open, completely open. Anybody can enter, anybody can. But thank God for the pioneers of our parents, forefather. The founding father of the state, the founding father of the district council, they have laid a strong mechanism for 6th schedule for the tribal people of the state. We have Shnong, we have Nongwan, we have district council, we have local authorities who will always monitor. If I am in Shnong, if I am in Nongwan, I know who are staying in my locality. I know everybody, right? So, if district council, Shnong, local leaders, the police forces, if everything work, and on top of that, the land doesn't belong to the government. The land belongs to me. I will never allow anybody to occupy my land. Right? Even army isn't allowed. Right? Army have to pay the compensation. The government of India need to for the construction of the road. The Minister of Highway has to pay the compensation for the damage of the land and the building to construct the highway. Which is for our good purpose. Forget about staying by somebody in my land. So we have a strong mechanism in place if we implement properly. So district council is as Captain Sangma used to say, if somebody think and decide to do away district council, he is a man who should set himself. We have a strong mechanism in 6th schedule which will protect our land, our people, our own interests. If we implement 6th schedule properly and strongly, this is the best weapon to protect from illegal immigrant. Nothing else.
But the VPP is advocating for 371 instead of 6 schedule. What do you say?
I don't want to comments on that, and then they may know their better subject. But for me, nothing can replace with a 6th schedule. It's the best mechanism, best blessing to the people of the state and people for the Trump people. Yeah. We should not question the wisdom of our forefathers. Had 371 is better than 6th schedule, they should have opted for 371, right? But for me, 6th schedule, which is the ownership of the land and the authority over the land, but over and inside the land, is a supreme mechanism, the best mechanism for me. But you may have a difference on this. But as for me, nothing should and has a better law which can replace 6th schedule with interest for the tribal people.
So just one last query. With your this perception that railways would bring influx into the state, as you said, like they don't come compliant.
How you interpret, how you see. If you ask me this question, Meghalaya is, suppose I will give an example. As per the 2011 census I've gone through, in South Goa Hills there are only 11,000 non-indigenous people. They are not illegal immigrants. In North Goa Hills there are only 8,000 non-indigenous population in the state. But in West Goa Hills, more than 3.5 lakhs of non-indigenous people in the state. I don't know. I'm not saying they're illegal or not illegal, but for me, suppose I don't know other district, but for me, if I refer to my village, if I refer to my Akang land, right? My uncle is a Nongwan. He knows who is staying where. If any new person staying, if any new person come and stay in under his Nokmasip, he will be arrested. He will be taken to task. Who will come and stay? Huh? So now every individual aware of the land, every family aware of the land, every Nokmas aware of the land. So I think that, I mean, like, maybe yes, this may be the issue, but not the 100%. Is only the way out. Is only the problem. Yes, railway maybe another way to interpret, but it is not the only this. There are other factors which can what you call which can give room for legal immaturity. But it's not only about the railway.